down. Yeah, I just wrote this song because I just wrote this just to make myself feel more happy. So basically, life feels like a drag, but life's a roller coaster ride. Yes, it goes up and down, then up again. So don't you worry about a thing. Close your eyes real tight, throw your hands up high and scream as loud as you can. Say hey, 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 let the good times roll. Hey, hey, let the good times roll. Hey, hey, let the good times roll. Let the good times roll.
Singers, they like to play with us. They're like, I've got the flu, excuse me, no, excuse me, say what now? That was nice. Let's try that, we'll meet you outside, let's try that. Tell me, so that song, are you ever gonna write it further?
Yeah, me and Syntax will.
Syntax? Agree? Hey, Syntax for the quiz now, machine. That's very, I like that song. And I like it by Zulu.
Thanks.
You should be saying.
What's going on?
Yo guys, the equipment is working hand in hand with the weather. Unfortunately.